Hi there. I'm going to now show you how you can use treatment codes to automate the adding of ICD-10 and process codes to your appointments. So first off, I'm going to go to the client page. We're going to do this for Googs Malefi. From the client's page, I'm going to click on codes. And you can see I've already loaded some client history here for her. So this is my treatment plan for October. We're going to use ICD-10 code S34. This is our process code, and that's the price we're charging. So you can see I'm using S34 three times with different process codes here. The flash over here indicates that these are going to automatically be added to new appointments. And this icon here indicates that they're not going to be automatically added to appointments. So for example, this might be the incoming diagnosis from the referring practitioner. So let's go ahead and add a treatment plan for November. So let's say we're going to go S34. And just search here. Sorry, it's S32. It's the code we initially used. So now let's just go slightly more detailed. And here we can choose our process codes. Here we're going to select the date for November because this is our treatment plan for November. So we just choose the start date as the beginning and the end date as the end. And then I would like to automatically add these to new appointments. So if I save, here's our new code. We can add more. So let's just do 36, save. And let's add 31. All right, so now you can see I've selected to add these automatically. Just for fun, let's also add one which we won't add automatically. So I'll use a Z code. Let's use Z71.3 and do that. And so we're just going to deselect automatically add to new appointments. And again, this is for the November date range. Save. Right. So now if I create an appointment during during October, it'll automatically add these codes to our appointment. So let's go ahead and do that. So type of appointment, doesn't really matter. Put it on the 15th of October. And we've set this up for Googs. So obviously it's only going to add it when we add this client. Let's just put her in at 8:45. Right, so now when we create this appointment, if I go manage codes here, you can see it's automatically added those codes that we set up. These are exactly the same as any process codes that you may have manually added. So you can edit them here and you can add new ones if you would like to. So you'll notice here that it's only added the codes that we set for our October treatment plan. It hasn't added the codes from November. And similarly, if we were to then create an appointment in November for her, perhaps a follow-up, let's make it a follow-up. And again, it needs to be the patient who we've configured. So here now, if we go create this appointment, here it's created for the 5th of November. If I go manage codes here, now you can see it's added those new codes which we set up for November. Right, and that's how you can automate adding ICD-10 codes to a specific customer based on the treatment plan that you intend to work with them on.